Hey everyone, welcome back to 3D Tutorial Maxup. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D modeling, and I'm going to share with you the top 4 websites where you can find amazing 3D models for free. Number 1 on our list is 3D Sky. This website offers an extensive collection of 3D models, ranging from architecture to vehicles and everything in between. The best part? Many of these models are free to download and use in your projects. With a user-friendly interface and a wide variety of categories, 3D Sky is a go-to resource for designers of all skill levels. Next up, we have Zeal Project. This platform is a treasure trove for 3D enthusiasts, offering a vast library of models created by talented artists from around the world. Whether you're looking for character models, props, or environments, Zeal Project has you covered. And the best part? You can download these models for free and incorporate them into your own creations seamlessly. Moving on to number 3 on our list, CG Traders. This website is a paradise for 3D artists and designers, offering both free and premium 3D models. While you can find an extensive collection of paid models here, CG Traders also boasts a generous selection of freebies. From realistic renders to stylized assets, there's something for everyone on CG Traders. Last but certainly not least, we have 3D Zip. This website offers a curated selection of high-quality 3D models, textures, and plugins, all available for free. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional assignment, 3D Zip provides the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. With regular updates and a supportive community, it's a fantastic resource for aspiring 3D artists. And there you have it, folks, 4 incredible websites where you can find free 3D models to elevate your projects. Be sure to check them out and let your creativity soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy modeling.